I, Daniel, in the presence of God and these witnesses, take you, Ying, to be my wife. I promise to love and cherish you in sickness and in health, in prosperity and in adversity. I promise to be the leader of our family, even as Christ leads me. I promise to comfort you and to protect you, to be your companion and to delight in you. From this day forward, in joy and in sorrow, in abundance and in want, through trials and tribulations, I promise to be to you a true and faithful husband in all things, to cleave unto you, forsaking all others, as long as life shall last.
I, Ying, in the presence of God and these witnesses, take you, Daniel, to be my husband. I promise to love and to cherish you in sickness and in health, prosperity and in adversity. I promise to give you my life and submit in trust to your leadership as to the Lord. I promise to make for you a home, to be your companion and to delight in you from this day forward. In joy and in sorrow, in abundance and in want, through trials and tribulations, I promise to be to you a true and faithful wife in all things, to cleave unto you, forsaking all others, as long as life shall last.
The marriage union between husband and wife that we get to witness the beginning of today is indeed a profound one. Daniel, will you have Ying to be your wife, to live together in the covenant of marriage? Will you love her, lead her, comfort her, protect her, provide for her, and be an example of godliness to her?
I will.
Ying, will you have Daniel to be your husband, to live together in the covenant of marriage? Will you love him, follow him, comfort him, and help him in accordance with Scripture? And will you honor and keep Daniel in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, to be faithful to him all the days of your life on earth?
I will.
Daniel, you may turn and kiss your bride.